Pusembut Menteri Rangba Kejela beri kimi ketenat PWD ubah Prestone Tensong. Haka arpulai terik ujeliu arhajar arpusan lalu ke Jingilang bagi officer ke NHIDCL ketenat PWD ketenat revenue bat ketenat forest ban bishar benia halo ke Jingshna yagi Surok haka jela. Habagaran gilat patai kubor ba Prestone Tensong ulong bahaka ni ke Jingilang layok menekaran halor ke Surok Shillong-Dawki kabaula Bthah haka NHIDCL ban Pynsted no ke Jingtrei ke kam. Bat kermen bikin la pendep no kumbalai kot. Hakabaidai ba ke Western Bypass ubak Prestone Tensong uli tu ba kejing bishar benia alor kani kam kedan kendiat kejing Hakabaidai ba kejaka namar kidan negi briau kibalakam ba kejaka jongki bat kimpat yo ya kabai jaka. Alor kani ulu ada Bthah ya ke district collector ban penbet ya kani kamat bat ban pentikena ba kejing pentrai kam dai ban sakot ndrai kedemania chikamat.
I've just had a review meeting today. One is about the progress of work, Penusla Shillong-Dawki Road, all the packages. And right now, instruction has been given to NHIDCL to speed up the work, and I'm very sure they'll be able to complete it maybe as indicated in the contract order by the NHIDCL. So I've seen the work is in progress well. Of course, we do have problem because of this rain, but I'm very sure they'll be able to reach the target as already stipulated in the work order. That is point number one. Then number two, I also did the review meeting relating to the progress of Western Bypass. Again, we have little challenges with this problem of land. Land means the problem is about, sometimes some people they claim that the land belongs to me, I did not get the payment, this, that. A lot of things happening like that. So I've given direction to all the district collector to resolve this issue and make sure that the progress of work does not at all affect. And these people, though they claim, until they have the proper document, they cannot just blindly claim like that. So we have taken a decision today, and I've instructed to all the deputy collectors to do the needful and make sure that the progress of work is fully uh, in good pace as we already expected, and I'm very sure we'll be able again to complete on time.
Uliyatho bakaway kabalayo banekran na kani Jingilang kalong halor ka subway speed corridor kaban sedang na shadow kajaka kaput gejela Assam lengba ka west but east Jingtrei Hills ha kabala Bthah igi district collector banwat kajaka na kabenta ban shnaya kani Surok kaban kanto ig South League district kata Hariboy East Khasi Hills West Jingtrei Hills but East Jingtrei Hills Nalor kanila yo ru banekran halor ka Surok Tura bypass ha kabala Bthah ban penkre ka 3D notification yagi district collector. Hakabede baga Surok ha Umiam-Shillong uba Prestone Tensong le tho baga tenat kanchna na katulien da kabakado ba kania kalong hadian bala sorjamen ne kani Surok na kabentaban penlong shkafolien. Dekat kum kakai pot hi kania kan omla banlong namar kejing buan palat kejing lut. Kum talarai ban ieno e kania kejing temu ban shna folien kani Surok baga tenat kan sa shna da Surok tulien. Ndrikan dai ka bahe 10 kilometer ke Jingyar.
Yes, again, recently I had a meeting with the managing director of the NHIDCL in Delhi. As I told you a few months back, the NHIDCL has already started solving and preparing all the groundwork to convert the Umiam up to Shillong road into a 4-lane road. But ultimately, the preliminary report that they received from the ground is that it is not feasible, not possible to go for the elevated road because the cost is too much. It is beyond the expectation. So ultimately, that day when I had a meeting with them along with my team from the WD, so we decided to abandon that idea of converting it into 4-lane. But this time we are going to stick to the double lane the existing one, but it should be 10 kilometers width, 10 kilometers width, including the pavement. Relating to the survey of the speed corridor, starting from Barapani, starting from Umiam, up to the border of Assam, uh, where ultimately all the district collectors, they are on the job, and I'm very sure very soon each district collector will be able jointly with the NHIDCL to finalize the center line of the speed corridor road up to the end point of East Jaitia Hills, and they progress, as I said, through all the three districts, because all the four districts, starting from Riboy district, second is East Khasi district, West Jaitia Hills district, and also East Jaitia Hills district. And the last one, I took a review, the progress of the proposed Tura bypass to Dalu. Again, the 3D, the 3D notification is being prepared by the respective district collector. One is Tura DC and number two is Ampati DC. They are working out about the 3D notification, and very soon this process will be completed. And once that is completed, then they will come out with the 3G notification. So these are the review meetings that I had today with the concerned company NHIDCL, along with my department, and also with revenue department and the forest department. Each district collector, they have taken all their responsibilities at the homework. They have already called meeting with all the stakeholders, especially with the landowners, and number two is with the traditional heads like Ramashnon or the Doloi or the same, and that has been more or less completed. And now the survey is also almost completed, and I'm very sure very soon they'll be able to identify even the center line of this speed corridor.